Hey friends, I am Bella. Hope you guys remember me. Today we are going to learn about kitchen items. Let's start with cutlery and dishware items. Our first item is spoon. Spoon, for scooping up yummy soups and puddings. Fork, helps you pick up tasty bites of food. Knife, carefully cuts through fruits and veggies with supervision. Plate, a colorful canvas for your delicious creations. Bowl, perfect for holding your favorite cereals and snacks. Cup, great for sipping on refreshing drinks. Saucer, keeps your cups from making a mess. Glass, holds magical potions like juice or milk. The next group of items that we will talk about today are the cooking utensils. Let's start with spatula. Spatula, flips pancakes and burgers with ease. Ladle, scoops up tasty soups and stews for you. Whisk, makes fluffy eggs and pancake batter. Rolling pin, rolls out dough for yummy cookies and pies. Colander, helps drain water from pasta and veggies. Peeler, peels off the skin from fruits and veggies. Grater, turns cheese and veggies into tiny shreds. Tongs, grabs onto hot dogs and salad leaves. Oven mitts, protects your hands from hot pans and trays. Mixing bowl, where all the fun mixing happens. Measuring cups, makes sure you add just the right amount of ingredients. Sieve, sifts flour to make it super smooth. Frying pan, fries up eggs and bacon for breakfast. Pot, boils water for pasta and soups. Saucepan, makes delicious sauces and gravies. Baking sheet, for baking cookies and crispy fries. Muffin tin, bakes cute little muffins and cupcakes. Cake pan, creates yummy cakes for birthdays and parties. Cookie cutter, shapes cookie dough into fun shapes like stars and hearts. Thermometer, helps you check if your food is cooked just right. Timer, reminds you when your delicious treats are ready. Cutting board, protects the counter while you chop up veggies and fruits. Apron, keeps your clothes clean while you cook up delicious dishes. Now, let's talk about the cooking appliances we see in the kitchen. First we have the blender, magically turns fruits into smoothies. Food processor, chops and blends ingredients for yummy dips. Toaster, makes bread nice and toasty for breakfast. Microwave, zaps leftovers back to warm and tasty. Stove, where pots and pans have a sizzling party. Dishwasher, magically cleans up all your dirty dishes. Sink, where dishes go for a nice bath. Refrigerator, keeps your food cool and fresh. Freezer, turns juice into icy popsicles and stores ice cream for later. Juicer, squeezes out fresh juice from fruits. So, that finishes of most of the commonly used and seen things in a kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned new things. Keep supporting our channel and see you next time.